This is the story of me losing my Apple Watch in Oman. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome! Today's plan is to jump off a very high sinkhole. We've just been to the supermarket, spent a gazillion of dollars. Like 50.
And I saw you were searching for cat food and put it in the...
Yeah? You see me?
I was like, oh, this is why I married you. Okay guys, welcome to our very first day in Oman. Yesterday didn't really count because of the flight delay. We didn't make it to see Muscat, but we had a really nice dinner. And yeah, we're gonna make up for the missed day in Muscat on the last day in Oman. So we're gonna see it, you're gonna see it, stay here. But today, we are first going to the Casey Neistat sinkhole, that's what we call it.
On our way to this spectacular sinkhole, should take us 1.5 hours probably. Some stops, so let's go.
McDonald's is happening, guys.
Let's go. Check in and find out.
I mean, first you buy cat food in our suite, then you open the door in your suite.
Don't put me in the wrong light here. McDonald's! Cheese donuts, whatever that is.
It was too tempting to not get them. They had so interesting stuff there. Everything looked more like Indian Arabic in McDonald's. I think it's just dough with cheese. We'll try first. Okay, it's just cheese, fried cheese.
Whoa.
Too hot?
There's nothing better than coffee and dough huts.
You're on a hole.
So you're on a hole. That sounds wrong, but that's how it is.
Okay, so driving in Oman is really a pleasure, right?
It is.
The landscape here is amazing if you like desert landscape, and I'm already excited to see more of that.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, we just pulled over on the sea, on the seaside at a nice parking lot. Suddenly we're not so convinced about the cleanliness of Oman anymore because there is like a buttload of trash on the beach. Because Sascha wants to outdo himself today, and I love that. He is collecting trash now with all the actually plastic bags that were on the beach. He already collected 3 or 4 of them. Trying to get some karma points today. Guys, please.
Whoever did this, you're welcome.
I mean, everything was full of plastic. You erased it all in less than 10 minutes.
So much for that.
Okay.
Now we can enjoy again.
Ready?
Yeah.
To drop Sascha? 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Da unten sind Fische, die leuchten. Beeil dich lieber, bevor ich verrückt werde. Alter, der leuchtet. Sorry. Fisch. Der hat eine Lampe vorm Gesicht. Ich will nichts mit denen zu tun haben. Jetzt beeil dich. Ich hau nämlich ab. Ja, ich gehe immer weiter rückwärts. Los, ich mach. I'm ready. Just do it. Just do it. Oh. Ernsthaft? Ernsthaft jetzt? You actually did?
Yeah, I'm not lying.
Oh, you and stuff, ey.
Welcome. Cheese donuts, whatever that is.
I mean, everything was full of plastic. You erased it all. I'm ready. Just do it. Just do it.
Ey, die hat ganz lange gehalten. Ist doch okay, wenn man die im Oman im Sink lässt. That's a good story.
So guys, Sascha just lost his Apple Watch in the sinkhole.
And while I'm here still grieving about my Apple Watch, Maddy gets a pedicure.
This is such a funny feeling. I don't know if I like it.
Oh.
Ow! I have a bruise there and they really like the dead skin of that bruise. Ow.
So we found a local who will show us the secret sweetwater underwater caves.
4 meters here deep. Oh, the line also 4 meters deep. Over there. This is the cave.
Oh.
This is the cave.
Oh, and you can go in there?
You can.
I don't have to dive. No, okay. Because I'm definitely not going in a cave and I have to dive.
If you want to swim here, you can do it.
Yes, I think I'm doing it. I'm just
Okay,
mentally
jump.
preparing.
Oh, good, thank you so much. You can walk in this way.
How was it, Captain? How was it?
Adventurous, but you can't see without light and it definitely is very spiky. But this was kind of amazing. So, a bit about the sinkhole. Very, very old. And you have a freshwater source, where we tried to get in a second ago, and a saltwater source that comes directly from the sea in an underground cave right here into the sinkhole. That's why the water is kind of salty, but not super salty. What else? Sascha lost his watch. Yes, yay, because he jumped. What is forbidden, but he jumped. So now he lost his Apple Watch in return. And the water is not really cold. It's beautiful. People are nice. And now we're going to the next place. And food.
Yes.
I need food.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's go.
That has been our great, or not so great, depending on who you ask, experience with the sinkhole.
I loved it. I can understand why you don't love it.
I already feel phantom pain here, huh? See that scar? It's actually a mental scar. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing.
There at our very, very special location and accommodation. The location I can spoil a bit. They have sea turtles here, right? You take it.
And bumps.
And bumps, a lot of bumps. Oh, your food. Not that much. Yes. See? Hello. Yes. Cats of Oman. Second one. Welcome to our mud house. It's maybe not what you expect it to be.
How it's built, it's very traditional and that's with mud and stones, some sort of. That's why they call it mud house.
And I think it looks super great. A whole kitchen, living room area. Look at it, nice. We can sit like the Omani people do it. TV, number 1. TV number 2. And the bathroom. Look at it. It's great. AC number 1 and AC number 2. So that's been our travel day here to this lovely, lovely place. Okay, now we need food because we're super starving. And
Let me through, husband.
right, you wanted to start already, but Madeline needed to figure out the Wi-Fi situation here. It's great. It's great. So let's cook.
And after that, woo!
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Yeah, I
think
see
need
that.
to turn around.
Okay guys, welcome to our very first day in Oman. Yesterday doesn't really